Good morning, friends. Today we are solving the remaining problem of the exercise 3.2. If all you see all the solutions which I solve in the exercise, then definitely you can understand all the problems and all of you is also satisfied. And if you understand and you just wanted to the new videos who I update, then definitely you can like and subscribe to my channels. Then definitely you also other videos also find very easy way. So I think that all of you also like and subscribe to my channels. Okay, so we start from the exercise here. The question is, in the next lecture we are solving the questions up to question number 6. Today we start from the question number 7 here, from the question number 7, that is from the question number 7. You all of you see that the question is given here. Question number 7, that is a matrix, find the value of x and y. If the matrix is given, question number 7 are first. That question number first and second both are the same. So question number first, x plus y, that is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5, and matrix x minus y, that is equal to, here also the given value 3 0 0 and 3, and here is question is given that you find the value of x and y. Then I say that is a equation number first and that is a equation number second. I add the equation number first and second from the equation first and plus second. If I add equation first and second, so it is a x plus y plus x and minus y, that is equal to 7 0 2 5. This is the value of matrix x plus y, then plus the value of matrix x minus y 3 0 and 0 3. Here you see x is positive, that is a 2x. But here y is negative, so y is cancelled by y, that is equal to 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10, 0 plus 0, that is a 0, 2 plus 0, that is a 2, and 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. So x is equal to 1 by 2, here 2 multiplies, so goes in divide, 10 0 2 8. Next x, that is equal to, you divide by 2, this is a 10 by 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 2 and 8 by 2. So that is equal to 10 by 2, it is a 5, this is a 0, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So that is the value of matrix x. Okay, so you can find the value of the matrix x. After that you take the equation number first, that x plus y, that is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5, right? Then here you put up the value of matrix x, that is equal to 5 0 1 and 4, plus y, that is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5. Then matrix y, that is equal to 7 0 2 5, and if this goes that side, so negative sign, 5 0 1 4. Then you see y, that is equal to 7 minus 5, that is a 2, 0 minus 0, that is a 0, 2 minus 1, that is a 1, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, So this is the value of x and y. You can easily find the value of x and y by applying this method. So I think all of you understand these questions. So we are going to solve the next question. Here that another question is given, find the value of x and y. Here also the find the value of x and y of the question number 8. If here the question is given, question number 8, the matrix y that is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2x plus y that is equal to 1, 0, minus 3 and 2. Here you find the value of matrix x. How you can find the value of matrix x? Here the value of matrix y is given, so you put up the value of matrix y to here. Here the question 2x plus y that is equal to matrix 1, 0, minus 3 and 2, right? After that you take the y into that side, so that is a 2x is equal to matrix 1, 0, minus 3 and 2, and that is a minus y. You know that the value of y, it is also given in the question, 2x that is equal to 1, 0, minus 3 and 2, and matrix y that is equal to 3, 2, 1 and 4. So that is the value of 2x, matrix 2x that is equal to here 1 minus 3 that is equal to minus 2, 0 minus 2 that is equal to minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 that is equal to minus 4, then 2 minus 4 that is equal to minus 2. This is a 2x, so x is equal to 1 by 2, matrix minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2. You divide by 2 of each element, so that is equal to minus 2 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 2. Therefore the matrix x that is equal to, this is the minus 1, this is the minus 2, then here that is equal to minus 1 and the minus 1. So the value of matrix x that is equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, so this is a very easy way. Then how you find the values? So you solve the question and you can solve the values of x of the given matrix. For the next question, the question number next, here the question number 10 and 11, both 9, 10, 11. Here we solve the question number 9. Here the question number 9 is that if find the value of x and y, 2 matrix 1, 3, 0, x and plus another matrix is y, 0, 1, 2 that is equal to matrix 5, 6, 1 and 8. You find the value of x and y. As like the previous question, you see here, first I multiply by 2 to this matrix. It means 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 and 2x plus y, 0, 1, 2 that is equal to 5, 6, 1 and 8. Right? All of you understand? Here I multiply 2 in each element of that matrix. After that we are here the sign of the sum addition. So this is equal to, that is equal to 2 plus y and 6 plus 0, then 0 plus 1 and then 2x plus 2 that is equal to matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. right? After that you compare that here, after comparing the equation or matrix, then 2i 2 plus y that is equal to 5. So 2, so y is equal to, that is y is equal to 5 minus 2, that y is equal to 3. So the value of y that is equal to 3. And second, here this element 2x plus 2 that is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. So x is equal to 6 by 2. So x that is equal to 3. Do you understand? So the value of x that is a 3 and the value of y that is also equal to 3. So this is the answer. Next question number 10 and 11 and 12 both are same. So we are solving the question number 11. You see the question number 11 I solve. These methods are you can apply and you can solve these questions. So I solve the question number 11. The question number 11 is that X matrix 2 and 3 elements plus Y, the elements are minus 1 and plus 1, that is equal to elements 10 and 5. Here you also find the value of x and y. You also find the value of x and y. You multiply this x in that matrix, so that is a 2x, 3x, then plus minus y, and that is a y. It is equal to 10 and 5. Then you here the sign of addition, so add 2x minus y and 3x plus y, that is equal to here 10, 2x minus y, that is the value of the matrix are given 2, 3, minus 1 and 1. So 10, here that is a 10 and 5. After the comparing, here 2x minus y that is equal to 10. 2x minus y that is equal to 10 and 3x plus y that is equal to 5. This is the equation number first and this is the equation number second. Here we are adding the equation. This is the cancel to each other. 2x plus 3x that is a 5x that is equal to 15. So x that is equal to 15 by 5. 15 by 5 it means 3. So the value of x that is equal to 3. Second, if the 2x minus y that is equal to 10. So 2 into 3 minus y that is equal to 10. So 2 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. Minus 10 that is equal to y, so y is equal to minus 4. Here the value of y that is equal to minus 4, then you can see here the value of x that is equal to 3. So answer is that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4, and this is the answer. Okay, so you can compare the both matrix and you find the value of x and y. So for the next question, I think all of you understand. So for the next question is given here. The question number 14. The question number 14, here there are two questions, so I solve the question number second. Here the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and other elements you take here minus 1, 1, and 0, 0 minus 1 and 1, the elements 2, 3 and 4. That is not equal to elements minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, another 1, 2, 3, then 0, 1, 0, then 1, 1, 0. Means if you have a 2 matrix, then the multiplication of the A into B, that does not equal to B into A. You can prove here. So first I take that here one matrix is a 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0. Either you multiply, here you multiply. I multiply this. You see here that I take the first row, so the first column. So here is a minus 1, 1 ones are minus 1, 2 zeros are, that is a 0, 3 twos are, that is a 6. This is the first element. Second, 1 ones are, that is a 1, 2 ones are 2, this is a minus 2, and 3 threes are 9, that is a plus 9. Then third, 1 zeros are 0, then plus 2 ones are 2, plus 3 fours are 12. This is the first row, all the elements. Next, for the second row, you take the second row, 0 into minus 1, that is a 0, 1 into 0, that is a 0, 0 into 2, that is equal to 0. Then 0 into 1, that is a 0, 1 into minus 1, that is a minus 1, 0 into 3, that is equal to 0. Next, 0 into 0, that is a 0, plus 1 into 1, that is 1, and 0 into 4, that is equal to 0. Next, third row, for the third row, 1 into minus 1, that is a minus 1, plus 1 into 0, that is a 0, 0 into 2, that is equal to 0. Then 1 into 1, that is 1, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, 0 into 3, that is a 0. Then 1 into 0, that is a 0, 1 into 0, that is a 0, 1 into 1, that is equal to 1, plus 0 into 4, that is equal to 0. Does not equal to. Here you also put up the values same. You take the first row and the first column. So minus 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, and 0 ones are 0, plus 0. Next, 1 twos are 2, minus 2, 1 ones are 1, plus 1, and plus 0 ones are 0. Then minus 3, plus 0 and 0. Next, you take this second row, 0 into 1, that is a 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 into 1, that is a plus 1. Then 0, minus 1, and then plus 1. Next, for the third row, 0, 0 and 0. Here 2 multiply third row, 2 multiply 1, that is 2, 3 multiply 0, that is a 0, 4 multiply 1, 4. Then 2 multiply 2, that is a 4, 3 multiply 1, that is a 3, 4 multiply 1, that is a 4. Then 2 multiply, that is a 6, plus 0, 0. Okay. So you see here that this is a minus 1 plus 6, that is a 5, that is a 0, that is a minus 1. Then second, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 9, that is a 8, minus 1, and that is a 0. Then 2 and 12, that is a 14, 1, and that is a 1. This is the value. Does not equal to minus 1, then 1, then 2, 4, 6, then minus 1, 0, 4, 3, 7, 7, 4, 11, then minus 3, 0 and 6. Here you see the value of the both determinants, both matrix are different, so you can say this does not equal to this. It means A into B does not equal to B into A in the case of the multiplication of the matrix. Okay, so I think all of you understand these questions in very easy way. So if you can apply this method, then definitely you can find the solution of these equations. Okay, so I think all of you understand. So all of you see all the questions and solve, and you can also solve the other question. Okay, thank you, goodbye.